Hey guys, some more forest program system from Kentucky County Extension Service. We're doing like gummy bears. Gummy bears are little ooey gooey creatures that are made of water, sugar, and gelatin. Today I'm going to show you a little magic trick. And of course with magic, there's possibly a little science behind it too. But today I'm going to show you how to make a gummy bear grow. Just your regular little gummy bear. We're going to make him grow. Okay, what I want you to do is take your gummy bear and put it in water. Let it soak for a couple hours, let it soak overnight. And then what you're going to see is actually how your gummy bear has grown almost 4 times the size it was when you put it in the cup. What happens here is a process called osmosis. And that's when water or liquid travels through a membrane. The membrane is just an outer shell. So when you take the gummy bear and you soak it in water, the water absorbs through the membrane, travels through the membrane, and into your gummy bear and swells it up. Okay? Now if you take the one that we've soaked overnight and you put it in a cup, just an empty cup, and you let it sit there, it's going to shrink back down. The water will eventually evaporate out of it, and it'll give you your regular gummy bear. Try this little activity at home. Show us your growing gummy bears and see if you can get them to shrink back down. Try different liquids. Tell us what you think. Make sure you like, share, and comment. Thank you guys.